took this one as well. Stop loss gonna be not twice the ATR, but one time the ATR, so 30 points. So let's see whether it's going to hold up that level. I will probably see it a little bit higher because if it breaks below that, then yeah, I wouldn't want to see it break below this level. Because it would break below the 50% of this candlestick as well, which would imply that the sellers are still quite strong on that one. So let's see, it's kind of starting to reject. It looks like it's trying to hold up, but again, I mean, the rejection is off of the pre-market highs as well. So, it's a two-way street basically now. So it's either going to slam down from here, or it's just going to, I think, bounce strongly, maybe potentially break above the pre-market highs as well. So let's see, let's have a look at the other two. The NQ not looking good at all. The S&P either, actually. So this maybe wasn't the best time to enter on the Dow as well. It's breaking below that area. It doesn't look like it's actually going to hold. So let's see, just keeping an eye on it. Just gonna look at a few stocks, see if there's any strong runners that we have today. So it looks like Beyond Meat is actually up 16%, which for a stock of its price, it is relatively strong. There's also Tesla, which broke above the $500 mark. It's already close to the midpoint, around $550 actually. So think it's again being stubborn, not pushing any higher. But anyway, it's pretty much close to the end of the stream. So if you have any questions, just make sure you're popping them in the chat room box. There's about 1 minute left. So anything you'd like to ask in terms of the trade, in terms of any kind of pattern, for example, or anything like that, make sure you're popping it in the box so we can answer it. If not, obviously, you're gonna have the chance to do that as well on the comment section of the YouTube video itself. Again, starting to make a little bit of a push higher. Again, obviously this is a little level I want to see it break. It's right here. That's why it's also finding some sort of resistance. It was, let's see if it's gonna break. It looks like it's set to break. And yeah, it's above it. So let's see if it's gonna move to the next level, which is again 28,943. So I'm getting set to close partial. Yeah. So I closed 50 out of the 65